Electronica 2022. I am at the onsemi stand here with Theo. So, as an opener then, it's been a while since we've all been here. It's been 4 years since the last Electronica. What are some of the innovations that you're bringing as onsemi to the exhibition?
Yes, so here specifically we have an industrial application, an industrial mobile platform that drives around. And in this design that we created, this showcase, we display all our customer development platforms for motor drive, image sensor, LED lighting, power conversion and communication. So each of these devices are needed for these specific applications that drive themselves around the table, and that's what we're bringing here for this show.
And so what sort of applications would people take this type of design and put them in?
Yeah, so they could make a mobile robot, but our motor drive solution can also be used for other motor applications, HVAC systems. We have an application for higher voltage drive solutions. It could be anything that drives motors, and in this case for applications in the industrial would be conveyor belts and these kind of things, and cobots, robots.
So how is onsemi helping to drive a greener future? Because that's the other big thing that we're seeing everywhere around.
Yes, that's of course by doing the conversion of power more efficient, and in this solution where you battery operated, we see that in AMRs, mobile robots, and also power tools. You want to extend the life of those applications by having a more efficient conversion of your energy, and that's where we have our new products like the ecoSpin solution for motor control, and our topside cooled MOSFETs and other solutions like that.
So the ecoSpin was one of the really big releases of this year.
Yeah.
So looking at this, I mean, this is fairly amazing. It's an eye-catching thing, and I certainly will remember it.
Yes.
But what would be the one thing that when I walk off the stand, what's the one thing that you would want me to take away from the onsemi booth after talking to you?
That we have a lot of good products for industrial applications. If you see this kind of systems where you have 10 motors, you have 10 motor controls, there's 60 MOSFETs in this product, as well as the ecoSpin, our rotational sensor, and then our image products. So there's many things that we show in this demo, and that's why we have the showcase behind us as well, where you already have been, and there's where the details are for each of these different products.
And it also, I suppose, having all these things working together, you can then help a customer, a designer, to put together so many different facets in one design.
Yes, we can show them and yes, help them along. Correct. Yes.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you very much for talking with me today.
You're welcome.
It's been lovely to meet you.
Thank you very much.